In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rising three methods, bullish, quick and easy. We're going to do this using a standard Tradingview chart, and I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. Even if you're new to Tradingview or to candlestick patterns, don't worry, I'll keep this clear and simple. First, open up Tradingview and load any chart you'd like to work with. In the example for this tutorial, we'll be looking at a popular stock chart, but you can use the same process on any market, time frame, or symbol you prefer. Make sure your chart is fully loaded and visible, with the candles clearly showing, so you can see the indicator once we add it. Next, look towards the top of the Tradingview interface and find the button labeled Indicators. This is where all built-in and community scripts live. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a search window will pop up, allowing you to type in the name of the indicator or pattern you're looking for. In the search bar that appears, start typing the word rising. You don't need to type the full name at first. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter and show you a list of matching indicators and candlestick patterns. This search feature helps you quickly find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists. From the filtered results, look for the one called Rising 3 Methods Bullish. This is a candlestick pattern indicator that highlights a specific bullish continuation setup on your chart. Once you see it in the list, click on it one time. You should immediately notice the indicator being added onto your chart, usually by marking or highlighting where that pattern appears in the price action. At this point, the Rising 3 Methods Bullish pattern is active on your chart. You can hover over the highlighted areas to see where the pattern is occurring and study how price behaves before and after it appears. If you want to customize how it looks, you can open the settings for the indicator inside Tradingview to adjust colors or visibility, but the default settings are usually fine to get started. Finally, if you're finding value in using Tradingview and want more advanced features, consider upgrading to a paid plan through the affiliate link provided in the video description. This can unlock additional tools, more alerts, and a smoother experience, especially if you're serious about charting and technical analysis. And that's all you need to do to quickly add the Rising 3 Methods Bullish pattern on Tradingview.